Welcome to Copeland's Cuisine. Today we're going to be showing you how we make our cast iron pizza. First, you want to start with the dough. You want to go ahead and activate your yeast, and to do that, you just want to get very warm water, very warm water. Too hot, it'll kill the yeast. Too cold, they won't activate you. So you want to make it about 100 to 110 degrees. You want to get a 1/4 cup of that. Let that sit for around 10 minutes, and then it'll be ready. Get you 2 cups of flour. Add your activated yeast after 10 minutes. Add 3/4 cups of room temperature water. Add oregano, garlic powder, marjoram, olive oil, about 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of sugar, a pinch of salt. This is kosher salt. And now you just want to get up in there and mix it with your hands, or if you have a mixer, you can go ahead and throw it in there and get it all mixed up. Keep adding flour as you need, as you see fit. Just keep adding the flour until you get that doughy consistency. Remove that from the bowl. You can use a clean bowl here. I just use the same bowl. Just add olive oil, about a tablespoon, just enough to cut, about a teaspoon, excuse me. Just enough to cover up the entire surface of the bowl, because you don't want your dough, when it rises, you don't want it to stick to the bowl. Now go ahead and cover that with a towel or plastic wrap, whatever you have. And you want to stick that in a cool, dark place where there's no draft. And you want to let that proof for at least 45 minutes. After the 45 minutes, it's ready to come on out. Now when you remove your towel or your plastic wrap, you'll see that it's pretty much doubled in size. That's what you want. Now go ahead and flour your surface. If you're using the countertop, just make sure it's nice and clean. I'm using a cutting board. It's easier to clean up for me this way. Remove your dough. And with this recipe, with 2 cups, I'm able to get 4 balls of dough, which is equivalent to about 4 personal pan pies, about 8 to 10 diameters in size. Now at this point, just grab one of the balls of dough and form your pizza crust. If you got it like that, you can throw it up in the air. I don't want to mess my stuff up, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do it this way. I just stretch it and pat it down until I get that shape that I want. Now, you want to go ahead and heat your cast iron up over medium heat and add you some olive oil in there, just a little bit. Place your raw dough in the cast iron skillet and then let it cook until it starts to bubble. After it starts to bubble up a good bit, you can check underneath of it if you need to. Go ahead and give it a flip. After you give it a flip, it's time to sauce it. I use about 3 tablespoons of sauce. Add your pepperonis if you want to. Now go ahead and add your cheese. I'm using regular bagged up mozzarella. You can get this at any store, or you can use the fresh mozzarella from the deli if you want to. But I'm not going through the changes of cutting that up, so we're using mozzarella. Now go ahead and pop that in the oven with your broiler set on high. Can't tell you what that was. Now you want to go ahead and slice it up at this point. Look at that. Look at that there. And now you know how to make cast iron pizza. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more videos, and we will see you on the next episode of Copeland's Cuisine.